Hey, it's Matt with Sierra Tree, and we finally finished up phase 1 of the Nimisala reservoir project. So we came along, we had to brush cut, we had to cut trees out. Any stumps you see were from a previous reduction. We were not asked to take those out, so they stay. Anything in the water like that was there before us, they wanted to stay. We just had to come down and cut this all out. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today, finally. We have battled the elements. Snow, ice, wind. It's been a brutal winter, but we've been trying to work on this project a little at a time. It is a big project. Total length is over a mile for this section, and that's a lot of work. So today we brought the chipper out, and all the trees that we had cut that were lined up on this embankment here are now chipped. And you can see the chips right here. So that's what it looks like when it's all reduced down. Pretty windy day, but we did our best to manage the chute, keep it on the inner side of the reservoir, which is what the Department of Natural Resources wanted. And I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, the environment was definitely extreme, and that is not just a catchphrase. Steep. We worked standing in the water, standing on the ice. We broke through the ice. We fell numerous times because of the steepness, but persevered. Nice finished product, and we're pretty proud of it. So if you have any needs for brush cutting, trees, removals, storm damage, yeah, just give us a call. Nice day on the reservoir.